How to disable YouTube restricted mode on. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to disable YouTube restricted mode on. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is to just head over to your YouTube app right here. So click on that, and then from in there you can see your YouTube. So what you need to do is to just log into your account. So from in here I will log into my account. And then as you can see right here, I am now on my YouTube. So what I need to do is to just click on this profile icon right here, and from in there you can see all of the settings right here. So click on the settings right here, and then from in there you can see all of the settings. So click on general right here, and then scroll all the way down, and as you can see here is restricted mode on. So if it is on, it is color blue, but if you want to turn it off, then you can just click on that, and that's how you turn off or disable YouTube restricted mode. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to disable YouTube restricted mode on. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.